Hello guys, today we make panna cotta, but instead of using the oven, because someone of you told me I burned my panna cotta using the oven, we will cook it in a glass jar. I will use my sous vide station. You can use an old-fashioned style with a pot, water and a thermometer. Will be a little bit complicated to check the temperature, but you can do it, don't worry. In this jar I put half teaspoon of salt, and after I will add 2 eggs white. In a pot we put 350 grams of heavy whipping cream and 100 grams of milk. We add a piece of vanilla bean divided in two and 75 grams of sugar. We turn on the stove and we need to reach the boiling point. When start boiling, we remove from the stove and we put apart. Now should reach the room temperature. Waiting, we can mix the white eggs with the salt. Don't worry, we don't throw away the yolks, but you should put apart, because after the panna cotta I will make crème brûlée. Yes, today I will make 4 desserts using the technique of cooking them in the glass jar using my sous vide station. So if you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe it so you will not miss all the other desserts, because I will do crème brûlée, brownies and cheesecake. Now that it's cold, we can mix everything together, put in the jar and put in the water. °C for 50 minutes and our panna cotta will be ready. See you later. Our panna cotta is ready, but now it's too hot, so we should wait that cool down a little bit. We store in the fridge and see you tomorrow for the tasting. Spectacular, very soft, very creamy. If you try it, you will always make the panna cotta in this way. Plus I add some of my preserved figs, the one in the syrup. Together is a spectacular mix. Let's try it again. Really spectacular. Don't worry, if you don't have the sous vide station, you can use the normal pot. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like, to watch and share this video with your friends. For some advice, some requests, some recipe that you want to share, always down in the comment. Plus, if you want to buy it, there is a 15% discount coupon. Check under the video. Bye bye. Spectacular, melt in the mouth, really yummy.